So again, to take it off, push it forward or upwards beyond the piece of metal and just kind of wiggle it. Get this in the right angle here. Just kind of wiggle it out. Sorry, I'm watching myself do this on the camera instead of looking at it. Alright, that is now free. Okay. Put it back in. You want to make sure that that spring is in the little catch there, which it is now. Put your finger to retain the spring. Alright, then you will put the hook into the hole above the trigger pin. Insert the pin into the hole thusly. Pivot this so it is above the piece of metal here. Push back in, you'll hear a little click. Let it go back down. It is now reassembled. Very simple. Okay, just going to put the slide back on. It's back on. And throw an empty mag in there. It functions. It releases. And the weapon functions.